Meet our friendly farm animals. Our farm is home to many animals, each with their unique charm and personality. Let's start our tour by meeting them. The first resident we meet is Daisy the cow, a gentle giant who loves to be petted. Her milk provides nourishment for the farm. Next, we meet the playful goats, Jack and Jill. Always up to mischief, they're a delight to observe, especially during feeding times. Then there are the chickens, clucking and pecking, providing fresh eggs every morning. Their presence truly completes our farm. Don't forget about the sheep, with their woolly coats. Watching them graze peacefully on the green pastures is therapeutic. Lastly, meet our horses, majestic and beautiful. Whether they are galloping or resting, they are a sight to behold.